This is the JAMB syllabus and I'm about to burn it. This is one of the reasons a lot of students fail JAMB. I know you're going to be wondering how on earth is the syllabus going to make a student fail their exam. If you gather 100,000 JAMB students and ask them this question, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear the word JAMB syllabus?
Well, personally, JAMB Syllabus is like a guide. It's area of concentration and different topics that are going to guide you on how to write JAMB. It's like you're supposed to focus on some topics where you're supposed to focus on to read for JAMB so that you pass.
Every student, every candidate believe that the JAMB syllabus is supposed to be an area of concentration.
To me, the JAMB syllabus is like an AOC or a guide to tell us more about topics coming after the JAMB.
But instead, the syllabus is not an area of concentration, but an area of confusion. How come the area of concentration have become the area of confusion? I want us to pick one subject from the syllabus, analyze the subject to see if the syllabus is an area of concentration or an area of confusion. I'm going to be picking chemistry since I'm a chemistry teacher. By the way, if you want to make money online, you can do that by promoting any of our chemistry course on our website, IdrisAcademy.com. You're going to earn commission for every student that buy the course through your link on our website. This is the chemistry syllabus. I want us to do something really quick. There is no topic in this syllabus that you would not find in your textbook. What does this mean? This means that the entire topic in this syllabus is also the same thing as the entire topic in your textbook. The textbook and the syllabus equate each other. There is no difference. Every single topic in your textbook is what is included in JAMB syllabus. This means that the syllabus is not an area of concentration because every topic in the textbook is also the same thing as the syllabus. JAMB wants students to read the entire topic in a chemistry textbook. And that's not just the only one. The same thing goes for physics, biology, math, literature, government, and if any of these subjects include calculation like physics, you are also expected to study that aspect of the subject. This is crazy. How can a student cover the entire textbook for 4 subjects and also read some novel in a limited amount of time? This does not make any sense. Let me tell you what I believe. This is my opinion and you can include yours in the comment section below. I believe the JAMB syllabus is not for students. I believe the syllabus is for JAMB. The syllabus is used by JAMB to set questions for hundreds of thousands of students. This is the only way they think they can come up with a lot of questions. So, stop wasting your time mistaking the syllabus as an area of concentration. Instead, I want you to focus majorly on 2 things. The first one is your textbooks and the second one is your past question. If you haven't watched the video where I talked about how I helped my students got 250 above in their exam, the link to the video is going to be included in the description below or somewhere around this video. In that video, I covered a lot of things that a student should be doing, and those things you should not do if you want to have success in your exam. By the way, if you find this video valuable or you've watched the video to this extent, then you should give the video some likes, and also subscribe at the same time. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.